What's up, rock stars? Welcome to the Rockin' and Readin' podcast with me, Ms. KT. Today, we're in a jazz club, and I am so excited because we get to hear legendary vowel sound, short E. If I could ever find her, well, maybe you could help me find her. Will you help me out? Oh, great! Let's get to rockin'. We're rockin' and reading with Miss KT. Oh, I've looked back out in the alley, in the green room, and even in the kitchen, but I can't find short E. Well, maybe we should call her by her sound, but what sound does it make? What sound does it make? What sound does it make? I wanna know, what sound does it make?
Like egg.
Ooh, like egg. Yeah, help me out. Egg. 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 What sound does it make? What sound does it make? I wanna know, what sound does it make? What sound does it make? There she is. Short E, where in the world were you? Oh, you're afraid you're going to forget the words? That is tricky, but maybe we can help. In fact, I hear your bandmates. I bet they can help. I hear H. Hi, H. Huh? You're gonna have to speak up. I can't understand.
H says
Oh, H says and N. Again, please. Oh, man, I'm lost.
N says
Oh, N says I think I've got it now. Collaboration makes everything better. Let's blend and collaborate. N, hen, hen. Now let's change H to make another word. Here comes P. What's up, P? What? Oh, man.
P says
That's right. P says, switch it up. N, pen, pen. Hen, pen. Hen, pen. Wow, Short E, you make some important words with your friends. You're still worried about forgetting the words to the song? Maybe we should practice the song so you won't forget the words. Let's try.
I say I say
They met a pet, a red hen, but he lost it in the pen. Ben set a net for the pet, but the net was all wet. He fed the hen again and again and again. The hen would peck, 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 peck in the pen. say then grabbed the leg of the hen, but he fell into the pen. The hen fell dead and went to bed at 10 in a pen of bread.
Do you say
No, 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 no.
Do you say
No, 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 no.
Do you say
No, 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 no. I say I say Great job, rock stars! Short E practiced the whole song and remembered all the words. Tune in to our video adventure to find out how the real show goes. Click the link down below. Now that you've heard the songs and heard Short E's song, what are you thinking?
Ed is like my friend Ellie. And I like Ellie.
That was a great thought. What are you thinking? Ooh, I've never thought of that before. Message us on Instagram at Ms. KT and Friends to be featured next month with your thoughts on our sound adventures. There's a link to our Instagram down below in the description. Ooh, thanks for reminding me, Short E. While you're looking in the description, look for the link to our video adventure. There, you'll get to combine the sounds you learned today with a fun video. Until next time, keep on rocking and keep on reading. We're rocking and reading with Miss KT.